Around this time of year, it's common to have a persistent cough. Usually, most of the time, it can be caused by viral illnesses. But it's important to know that a persistent cough, when it goes on for particularly over 4 weeks, for example, can have a lot of different causes. Sometimes, even in adults that have been vaccinated, it can be caused by pertussis or whooping cough. This could be treated by a course of antibiotics potentially. But a persistent cough can also be caused by a postnasal drip, mucus going down the back of the nasal cavity. It could be an undiagnosed late onset adult asthma. And it can also be caused by acid reflux. So after eating or lying down in bed on a night, causing foreign body sensation in the throat. So there's lots of different potential causes for having a cough. If you are concerned about having an ongoing cough, it's important to see a doctor to get chest x-rays, investigations done to check it all out. So don't hesitate, get that cough checked if you're worried. Until next time, see you later. Bye.